10 mind-blowing facts you won't believe. Space smells like grilled meat. When astronauts go on spacewalks, their suits absorb a strange odor. Upon returning to their spacecraft, they describe it as a mix of grilled meat, hot metal, and welding fumes. Scientists believe this smell comes from the interaction between high-energy space particles and the astronauts' suits. Honey never spoils. Honey can last for centuries without going bad. Sealed jars of honey found in ancient Egyptian tombs, over 3,000 years old, were still edible. This incredible longevity is due to honey's low moisture content, high acidity, and natural preservatives like hydrogen peroxide. Octopuses are like real-life aliens. Octopuses are some of the most bizarre creatures on Earth. They have 3 hearts, blue blood, due to copper instead of iron, and can change their skin color and texture to blend into their surroundings. Even more incredible, scientists have discovered that octopuses can edit their own RNA, allowing them to rapidly adapt to environmental changes without waiting for DNA mutations. Venus has metal rain. Venus is so hot, about 470 degrees Celsius, 878 degrees Fahrenheit, that lead and zinc melt and evaporate into the atmosphere. These metals rise into the clouds, cool down, and then fall back to the surface as metallic rain. This makes Venus one of the most extreme planets in our solar system. A blue whale's heart is the size of a car. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth, and its heart matches its massive size. Weighing up to 600 kilograms, 1,300 pounds, it can be as big as a small car. The whale's heartbeat is so powerful that it can be heard from several miles away underwater. Cats meow only to communicate with humans. In the wild, cats rarely meow at each other. Instead, they rely on body language, pheromones, and sounds like hissing. However, they have developed meowing specifically to communicate with humans, using different tones to express hunger, affection, or frustration. The London taxi driver test changes the brain. London taxi drivers must memorize an incredibly complex map of 25,000 streets, a challenge known as the knowledge. Studies show that this intense memorization physically enlarges their hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory and spatial navigation. Humans have been chewing gum for 9,000 years. Archaeologists have discovered ancient chewing gum made from birch bark tar, dating back 9,000 years. Early humans used it not only for enjoyment but also for medicinal purposes, as it had natural antiseptic properties. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. A lightning bolt can reach temperatures of 30,000 degrees Celsius, 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 5 times hotter than the sun's surface, about 5,500 degrees Celsius, 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. When lightning strikes sand, it can create fulgurites, glass-like structures that look like natural artifacts. Your brain checks if you're alive before sleep. Have you ever felt like you were falling just as you were about to fall asleep? This strange sensation is called a hypnic jerk. Scientists believe it happens because the brain misinterprets the sudden relaxation of muscles as a sign of danger, triggering a reflex to wake up the body. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.